for the competition ng ating mga atleta?
Medyo full schedule ngayon kasi para sa mga tagapakinig natin, tagapanood, ang aquatics kasi na ngayon Philippine Aquatics na po. So sa Southeast Asian Games, 5 po ang disiplina ng under aquatics. Isa lang po yung swimming, meron rin pong diving, meron water polo, may open water swimming, at meron din pong artistic swimming. Pero for the Philippine delegation, hindi ho tayo nagpadala ng entry sa artistic swimming. So dun sa 4 na disiplina, traditionally, after the opening ceremonies, which is December 9, the very next thing, December 10, tuloy-tuloy na po. Ang swimming po is December 10 to 15. Tapos December 15 ho, mag-umpisa ho water polo, 15, 16, 17, 18. Tapos sa 17, 18, 19, ang diving naman, December 17, 18, 19. Tapos open water swimming is December 18, 19, and 20. So ang closing ceremony po ng Southeast Asian Games is December 20. So ako po nandun sa open water. Hindi na ako makaka-attend ng closing ceremony. So medyo full schedule ang aquatics sa Southeast Asian Games.